Kuha na?
Hindi.
Kuha na Fern na?
Nelson! Ay, wala.
Because with the
Are we
book of
gonna swim in
it's
this
always
beach?
just you,
Tomorrow.
no one else.
We just arrived here early so that we can rest
What's this beach?
in Kaiteri Beach.
We're leaving, Nelson.
Tomorrow. Just stay asleep. Take a bath.
Kite Festival. Yuhu! Di na tayo naroon.
Kite Festival.
We go down?
You go there?
I see a
Right.
turtle!
Patayay?
I see a
Patay na
turtle!
Ano dyan nga banda?
Weneta. Jangan nga ba tatangay na?
I see a big ginormous turtle!
Ano
The
dyan nga
yellow
banda?
Wen.
Oh, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us? Come and tell me. Do you feel that love? Spend the summer of a lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place of your dreams. Do you feel that love? Oh, you got me hooked onto something. Who could say that they saw us?
There's a turtle!
Yeah,
There's a smiley!
yeah.
There's just a plastic, the white one.
Rayfish, rayfish.
There's a stingray.
Stingray.
There's a fish.
I see a big Brahma King Kong! The wolf is so big!
Yun pa unag na.
No, Daddy, you're wrong! A penguin! An octopus! This
Huh?
is a penguin! Where is he? It is a kite!
Oh, there's astronaut there.
There's a penguin! And there's a movie.
Wala?
Wen, okay.
Ha?
Wen.
Or you can just put on.
Hello, hello.
Yo, I'm already just started watching. You wanna watch TV Patrol? Maybe?
TV pa ito ba?
I can't really see because the letters are. Oh, the letters are so small that I need to go close.
Mom, I need to tell you something that I thought. What the? So, I thought, because this is our pillow, I thought that we have no pillow. But it's actually just like that.
Oh, actually, come. You could just press home.
Not
Just
bad.
press home. You don't have to press anything else. You could just press home. What is that noise?
Mama, later, can we go to the,
Yo, do they have green tea? Like some of them? I mean, pink jasmine tea.
Swear.
Grapes Vineyard. Woohoo!
Grapes. Grapes. Want grapes.
Ha? Pero pa kabila mata. Pa kabila mata.
I think I found a tooth.
Keep this tooth safe, okay?
Mama, Liam, they all ran away. Liam, they all ran away. Huh?
Ba ano doon na tilomon?
Can I see it?
Nandiyan na boss? Na boss ipain mo? Pasa naman mo? Ape madi mapakadaan o kuyo danda.
I can fill it with water, but there's nothing in it. No, don't do it.
Karga mo ulit.
What did you get?
Nothing.
Ashley, sit down here. You video me. I'll do practice fishing.
No, it's because I'm trying to find the same environment.
So daddy will teach me.
No, 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 no. Why did it run away? Check where this tiny area. Found one.
Talag kalkal tayo mo yung dito.
This one's dead.
Pakatang-taping isla to may.
No, 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 no. That's a shoal.
Yarata ba ba? Meron? Siyang tagi purwak? Siya agi purwak?
Siya pa yung puro ko.
Nehima.
Aji pas kapay lang.
Ay, sige.
I need to go wash my hands.
Sige, if you wash your hands there, the water will suck you. Nihan ama, baniitan na ka.
Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Lagi dyan, atan anak mo, pagiganam. Oy, Liam, hold it. Liam, hold the, ano. Careful just hold it. 2 hands. Wow.
Wala lang kayo ko na lipat kayo pag
Hold it, don't like touch that.
Just hold it. Anyan di alaman.
Something.
Atanak, pagpraktisa ka ata.
kapas sa 8 ka.
Ay, ito pink.
Oh, well, this one's dead.
Pati ka dito ka atin.
I wanted to see it. Oh no, that's a crab.
Did you caught anything, Liam? Just wait for daddy.
I think I caught a crab. Because it was very heavy for a sec.
Crab ka, no?
Maybe I'm waiting for him to die. Actually, I found one near me. Well, I'm helping Daddy. Oh, okay. I'm gonna pitch that bird. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Wala po
Actually, make sure you
Ah?
put the hand.
Video na ka.
If you caught something,
Pagipurwa ka, abad na to yakon na pinakaununa. Ito yung pinakaununa.
backward. Oh, there's a special clip that you're supposed to do first.
Ano oras tayo napanditoy? 6:24 rin lakay.
Pumano to the city ha.
only five.
Pagpapuan lang ba?
Past time.
Past time.
I'm gonna pick a ride.
Maganda yun tayo pag-fishing ah. Maganda yun.
Bird is waiting. We got something.
Naganda.
Over my rope, Dad. Over my rope. It's gonna get tangled.
Just wait, Liam.
I think I have to go in and grab
Just wait,
it.
Liam. Just wait. Cut, cut. Sublim. Kasi wine mo. Gano'n umirot.
Daddy, think I got something.
Umirotan? Oh, basta.